Let's start from the beginning. This is me at 1 year old. My mother would put Vaseline and water in my hair and brush it up into a ponytail. This is my natural texture. The next picture is me about 5 years old. My hair was really stringy and thin because I would get it pressed. My mother would just put that Blue Magic grease in my hair and press it with a hot comb. When I was about 8 years old, I got a Jerry curl. And if you are a sister, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But my school pictures, my mother wanted my hair straight, so she straightened it. And as you can see in the back, it's kind of frizzy. Then in middle school, my hair was thinning and it broke off. I would straighten my hair every single day for school. Because I would wake up early, turn on the curlers, straighten it, and then go to school. And it had broke off something terrible. Here it is curled and it's shorter, and I would just roll it up at night. I wouldn't wear a scarf over it. I would just sleep in some rollers. Then when I got to high school, I decided to dye my hair blonde because I thought I was grown. And here's my teeth as well, and you'll see in the next picture I wore braces. But I was going through this phase where I just wanted to be cute and beautiful with my blonde hair. Here I am standing by my locker in high school, and you can see my frizzy blonde hair, beyond damaged. So I would just put a weave over it. My hair was blonde, and I would just throw a weave over it. I would get a sew-in back to back for like 10 years straight. Fast forwarding to my recent years, I decided to take the care of my hair into my own hands. I started taking better care of my hair from the inside out, which means I was eating differently, started taking vitamins, and I started drinking more water. When I did that, I saw a difference in my body and I saw a difference in my hair. I started taking better care of myself and I changed my whole lifestyle. That's when I started YouTube, and that is when I started my hair journey. And I decided to take better care of me. I put everything aside, hair salons, hair dye, weave, everything, and learned the texture and how to maintain my own hair. It was not easy growing out a perm and dye and weaves, but I did it. And this is just footage of my hair when I lost my mom. It had fell out and I had to bring it back. This is the little bun that I was left with after my mother passed. Then it started getting better in December, and here it is now. So it did grow back thicker and beautiful, and here it is in February. I promised my mother that I'll never cut my hair. She loved my hair. Now it's mid-back length, and here is the original texture of my hair. My hair is not dyed. I don't have a rinse on it, anything. This is my real texture of my hair. And I'm proud to say that I did get it back healthy. I hope it stays there, nice and thick. This is my hair as of today, March 2018. I get asked a lot, why do I wear buns a lot? It's because I don't wear my hair on my shoulders, and I love to keep my hair up because it does better with no manipulation. So I stopped using sulfate shampoos. I decided to change my shampoos and conditioners. Here's my link check for the front of my hair, and I blow dried my hair here with a cold blow dryer, or very cool. I do not use heat on my hair, and I make sure I keep my ends clipped. So I do have a hair routine that I stick to. I have my staple products, so there'll be more hair care videos coming up in the future. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and share it if you like it. Help somebody else, and I hope it helped you. Comment below because your comment can help someone else. So there'll be more hair care videos coming up in the future. If you would like to see the products, just comment below or thumbs up this video, and I would be more than happy to share with you. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye guys.